Let's make lemon cake and cookies at school. I'm with my classmates today. For lemon cake, all water, baking powder, eggs, flour, lemon, and sugar. Here we took all water and sugar at the same time. Until sugar is dissolved, add eggs. Mix very well. Then add flour with baking powder. Add more if it is needed. Mix well. Pour into a cup of cake, any shape of cup you have. Do half of it because we added baking. And you know when you use baking powder, it's doubling our dough. You can wait for 15 minutes.
Hello. Hello guys. So my name is Icing. As you see, I'm in the kitchen. So we were making something. So we made something called lemon cake. Yeah, the ingredient for lemon cake is flour, sugar, eggs, water, oil. So during making them, we first took sugar, oil, and water, put them together. We mixed it very well until the sugar is totally dissolved. After we added the flour. A flour or a flour. So in the flour there was then we mixed it well until it was well mixed.
Then bake your cake.
Oh my God.
Butter for cookies, 3 eggs, flour, icing sugar. Then mix together icing sugar and butter and eggs one by one. Depends on your dough. Mixing well until turned into white. After that, add flour. Then collect your dough with clean hands. After dough, roll circle. Then shape in your design. Here we have heart shape.
Hi. How are you? What's on here?
This is, as you see, it has cookies. And as you see, this is the heart-shaped one, and that is the circle-shaped one, but with extra designs in it. And I think I should tell you the ingredients.
Yeah.
Here there's butter, there is flour, there is icing sugar, there is eggs, butter. I think that's all. And then, as the steps go, you first have to mix well butter and icing sugar, and until it becomes white. And then, next step, you have to add egg, and you have to add it one by one. And then, after adding eggs, you add flour. Little by little, and then you mix well. And after your dough is ready. Your roll is ready. And then that's all.
Thank you.
It's time for bake our cookies. Our cookies is ready. For cookies, it's the same dough. The difference is flavors. Once your dough is ready, you can add any flavors at your own choices like orange, lemon, chocolate, vanilla, etc.
ukuntu kameramani agenda gake gake ibi ngibi nigeze kubikora nigeze gutunganya